No. Have all those Christmas toys. Have all those versions. I almost messed up the joystick on my 2DS. That's what I used to have. All those. Oh no, not used to have. Not used to have. Not used to have. Those are all of them I still have. I still have all of them. Still have all of them. They're in storage. Some of them, some of them I don't have anymore. Some of them I don't have, but I have all of them. I have all of them. My stepmom gave me that rocking around the Christmas tree Santa. I still have him in a good condition. I don't have one just like that with the box. I don't have one just like with the box, but I might get one just like with the box, or get the box, you know. But I still got those Christmas toys, all those Santas. They're in the storage unit. Oh. There's my Jingle Bell Rock Santa. I have two of the Jingle Bell Rock Santas, but I also got the limited edition Jingle Bell Rock Santa, the limited edition with the actual beard. He has a real beard and everything, but I still have him. But he's not in this video. He's in the storage unit, but I have the box for him too. I have the box for both of them, the Jingle Bell Rock Santa and the limited edition Jingle Bell Rock Santa. Oh, I messed up in the video. I messed up. I'm gonna show you a full version of them. I'm gonna show you a full version of them on December. That one sings songs, but the batteries are dying in that video. I have another version of that same Santa. That one sings songs, but when it stops singing the song, it sings another song. But I have another version like that, but it sings the Holiday Creations song. This one does not. This one sings a different version, different. But I have both of them. That's the 1989 Teleco version.
Call from Mylan Taylor. Call from Mylan Taylor. Hi, Ricky. I don't know what my phone number is, but hi, Rick. Call me back. See you later. Bye-bye.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to hear it, but I still have him. His one hand moves, the other hand does not because his hand is snapped probably. His head moves too. I have him already. I still have him. I used to have a Mrs. Claus motion at Santa, the Teleco version, but I don't have her anymore. I used to have I used to, I used to have um um a life size Grim Reaper. But I still I have all of those. I even have that snowman too, in good condition. I think I have to turn it this way. Sing it backwards. I was just looking at it because that bottom is just not moving. I have him too. He works in a good condition, except for the wish you a Merry Christmas. He's not in a good condition now because the battery got corroded. So I have to clean it, and fix them. And now we went back to the beginning. Um. Oh, also in this video, this is the second video. See, they work and sing and dance. Now they don't do that anymore because the bag got corroded.
Call from Mylan Taylor. Call from Mylan Taylor.
I used to have that. I still have that snowman. That from 2007. I have other Christmas stories, but this isn't this DS, and it's in the other side of the video. And that's what I used to have. That you know I should keep it because I got it at Goodwill a long time ago. I don't have him anymore. He's the one. He moves his legs, and he said help me out, and he says only once a year, ho 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 ho, and it says the chimney's getting smaller and I'm getting fatter or something like that. That's what he says. That's the girl. It don't even have the speaker in her. That's why I got disappointed. Um, go this way. One of the videos. Um, I have this Santa. That version of Santa. Stuff finding it. It's really hard to find it. I have that Santa too. I have that Santa. Um, that's my Christmas tree. Talking Douglas failed Christmas tree. That's all my Santa Clauses. Jingle Rock Santas. Those Santa Claus. Celebration Santa. The Christmas collections of Santa. The guitar, the violin Santa. Not the violin Santa. The guitar Santa. Yeah, violin. The